if you know me, you know that one of my all-time favorite things to do is cook. Honestly, I really enjoy it, especially, a situation like this. Like just having to schlep every day and cook for your family. But when you can cook with a good friend. So gravy basically consists of cooked flour and fat. That's called a smart woman, y'all. So that's chicken base. How's your belly flop?
Pretty good.
Yeah. So don't put that on yet because we need to cut that salmon into like 1.5-inch cubes.
A little Lowry's.
Yes, a little Lowry's, a little garlic powder, pepper. Not too much Lowry's because of course, soy sauce is salty. So we're dipping some of that water out so it doesn't overflow. All right, so you're good. Let's turn that on about a medium. And ladies and gentlemen, she's got gravy. So we are putting in our salmon for our salmon bites. So they were cut in cubes, and this was seasoned with some Lowry's, some garlic powder, and a little pepper.